Alright, let's unlock some extra FPS from your gaming PC. No hardware upgrades needed. I'm talking about two Windows features that actually work: game mode GPU scheduling. Here's how you can set them up, step by step. First up, game mode. Hit your Windows key, type game mode, and open the settings. Flip that switch on. Easy, right? What does it do? Basically, game mode tells Windows to pause unnecessary background tasks, so your games get more resources. It won't magically double your FPS, but it can smooth out those random stutters during gameplay, especially if you're running other apps in the background. Next, let's talk about hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling. Head to the Start menu. Search for Graphics Settings and click on it. There you'll see an option called Hardware-Accelerated GPU Scheduling. Turn it on, then restart your PC. What does this do? It lets your graphics card handle its own memory management, which can shave off some latency and increase FPS in certain games. Quick tip: your mileage may vary depending on your hardware and drivers, so if you notice anything weird, just toggle the settings back. Remember to update your graphics drivers too, since these features work best with the latest updates. So there you go. 2 clicks for smoother gameplay, fewer stutters, and maybe even a few extra frames. Give it a try, and let me know in the comments if you see a difference. Happy gaming!